everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial episode, we're learning how to log into Fedex. Fedex Corporation is an American multinational delivery services headquartered in Tennessee. The company is known for its overnight shipping services and pioneering a system that could track packages and provide real-time updates on package location, a feature that has now been implemented by most other courier services. In order to log into FedEx, go to your web browser, type in www.fedex.com and search. You'll end up to FedEx official website. First, select your language and you'll be taken to a next page. Tap on the profile icon and an expanded menu will appear. Enter your username and move on to the next row. Type in the password correct for your account, and if you want to reveal the password, tap on Show at the right corner. If you want the site to remember you, then tap on this box over here. But if you are using a public device, then make sure to keep this unchecked. In case you forgot your password or user ID, you can tap on Forgot Password or User ID and follow the instructions to get access to your account. If you want to create a user ID for existing accounts, then tap on Create User ID for Existing Accounts and follow the instructions. Similarly, if you want to create an account, then tap on Create Account and you'll be able to create a new account for your FedEx. After entering the credentials correct, tap on the Login button and just like that, you'll be logged into FedEx account. That is all for today. I hope the video helped you. If it did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.